Hello everyone and welcome back to the live streaming. So we are live back again. This is already the second webinar for today. Okay, so let me check if everything works smoothly on every platform. Alright, so Steam stable and everything perfect. So we've been discussing about the EURUSD. Okay, in the previous streaming I took personally EURUSD buy. It didn't go well, so I'm stopped out. This is the lower time frame, this is short-term trading, more scalping, however you call it, because we have today a low volatility because the US have a bank holiday, so this is the reason why we don't have a big volatility. Okay, been stopped out over there, and what I did basically, I decided that I will start buying the DXY. Okay, so that means I have to change my direction of trading. So if I was buying the euro dollar and I was stopped out, I will start selling it. Okay, so what is my sell stop? This. Okay, now this to start pushing lower. So if everyone feel comfortable, you can go for the trade now. I think this is a nice reversal now. So as you can see how I switch my trading. Okay, this is what you have to do. If you are stopped out and the setup change, you have to change the direction as well. So as I did, I've been buying it since morning over there. I took a buy, it didn't go well, I was stopped out, I took a sell, and now I'm taking the way to the downside. So decision is based on the dollar. I'm watching dollar to gain its strength across the market. So I decided to let me just put them up. This is what I took for the sell. And I took the USD CAD as well for buy, and USD Chief for buy. These are the trades that I took, and we'll see how they will play out. Okay, so this is exactly the place where I have taken my buy over there. My stop loss is below the correction, so this is my move now. This is what I'm trading, and I will be trading all the way back at the previous high. We'll see how far it will go, or at least 1-to-1 target. This is the minimum what I'm aiming. So how long this will go, we have no idea. Okay, we will be watching the momentum. There's a nice flag. That's a very nice setup over there for me. And this is of course once again on lower time frame. I keep repeating this because it's really important so you understand where I'm trading. And with the Chief, same there. I took a buy where it is exactly. It's on my entry point. My stop loss is over. Oops, sorry. My stop loss is over there. It's very tight and small stop loss. And I'm first aiming 1-to-1, and we'll see how this will plays out. Okay, probably we will not be waiting over there for those trades to plays out totally. But they are doing nice. Yep, seems that they will start moving very nice. And euro dollar, my trade is over there, and stop loss is something like this. Short-term trades, first 1-to-1, and then I will see the next behavior. Let me take off this. I don't like arrows. I put arrows on there for you, but it confused me, so I will just take them off. We all understand where we are trading now. There's the flag, nice setup as well. Alright, so these were the trades. Looks nice now. For now, it's perfect. For the hard time trading, I didn't change anything. The setups are still the same. I didn't do anything else, as I've been talking before in the first webinar, in the first live session. Okay, market will go probably faster than it did in the morning. But me and my wife are currently watching those trades, drinking coffee, enjoying the time, and see how this will plays out.
Where are my friends from 2 hours ago? Hope they are trading too.
I have no idea where they are.
We promised to come, but we kind of forgot. We went to lunch, then we was looking at charts, and then we said, oh my god, we said people that
We will come there.
we will come again. So here we are again. We took some trades, and we will see how it will play out. Not in these 5 minutes, just later.
Yeah, I think those setups will take for next 2-3 hours.
Yeah, we will see. If it goes, great. We have a great trades.
Yep. If not, we don't care.
Yeah, we will manage it.
We have a question. Gold seems to be a bearish move now. What do you think? Let me check. It looks like, but it's kind of dangerous. It's hard to say. This is bearish. It was bearish, let's call it that way. Currently, this is interesting move. Based on the previous movement, this has changed the direction as dollar did. Now it went lower, and I would love to see some correction over there if this will continue its way to downside and tag the previous top. So that would be my view. If this will continue, I would love to see this 1, 2, 3 sideways, flat or whatever, and then going down. I'm not trading the gold because we mostly focus on the forex. But anyway, the strategy is the same. There was the nice running flat, 1, 2, 3, running flat, went lower. So here I do anticipate any correction would be great. If the correction appears, then this should, or if there will be aggressive breakdowns that we can sell under that low, I would be selling it under that low, and yeah, we can go kinda deeper. Let's see where we are structurally. Yes, this is what we've been discussing in the morning. This could get complicated, 1, 2, 3, and I would be happy if this would go lower. If this goes lower, pulls back deeper, then we will have a better opportunity and a stronger buy. We'll see. This lower time frame, it's kinda interested. I love on trading on lower time frame. It's kinda fast.
When we are home, right?
Of course. But summer is gone, so you will be home. Probably.
Maybe only today. We were on the sea the whole summer, and we don't want to go anymore.
Too much sea time.
Yeah, and sun. I really like that it's a little colder today, so we are back on the charts, and it's fun that too.
Okay, so hope this will develop its momentum now and start going lower. 1 to 1 would be great, at least on euro dollar, to cover the previous losses. The rest dollars should give some plus. But we will see, who knows. Things can get complicated in trading. Oh, sorry. I just grabbed the bottle of water and that was the sound.
Why are you drinking like that?
Because I can.
So our friends from the previous webinar went to lunch too.
They just disappear.
Yeah, they were talking when 2 hours ago.
Uh-huh.
Well, they didn't get used to that we came 2 times a day, but we were at home, so yeah.
We can organize to have more often those kind of webinars. If you guys will like it, leave a comment and we will be making those live webinars quite often, especially if you will show some interest in them. We are happy to talk about trading. Anyway, we have a lot of time because watching in charts, sitting there could be kind of boring.
We do only trading for living, so we have enough time. The only problem is that we forgot.
Yeah.
But we like to talk with people and we like just talk about trades, so we are here. It would be good if dollar makes some good moves today,
Yeah, it could happen.
but it's so slow, so slow.
We can see that these bank holidays really resonates with the market.
Yeah.
So I think DXY can easily continue its way. It can go down there 1, 2, this will be 3, a quick running flat, and then to extend it all the way up to the previous top. That's gonna be the great one. I don't see that we will reverse for another break of the low. That's not a possibility for me. So I would, or what I am already sticking to, is the wave to the upside. Wave to the upside is something that that I see over there will happen in the next couple of hours maybe.
Even if it's slow market, you need to just take whatever market gives you, because you never know when it's going. So we cannot assume that because we have a bank holiday that market will sleep. So that's why we are here. We just will take the setups, and if it's not going, we will just get out.
Easy.
Yeah, trading is not so hard. People make it hard. Cave says hi. Hi, Cave.
Guys, if you have any questions, just feel free to use the live chat. So guys, for how long have you been trading? Do we have any people, any traders there with a lot of experience? Or are there kinda new, brand new people with no experience on this kind of webinar? Four years, oh well, that's great.
Cool. So, are you satisfied with your trading or results?
1 year with many losses.
We all have losses, don't worry about it.
Losses will always be there.
Yeah.
I already took one in the morning on dollar, so yeah, it's the part of the business.
Yeah.
But the problem is, if there are more losses than wins, this is when problems start to appear.
If you don't have losses, then you're Instagram.
Yeah.
You're an Instagram trader.
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
Yeah, I trade too. We trade together, and the forex is
Yeah.
yeah.
We
And the
both
forex-
trading forex.
Yeah, the forex is the reason that we met.
Yeah.
You know, that's really cool because we both look at the setups we trade. No one complains.
We are trading sometimes one against another. She's taking buy, I take the sell, and yeah.
No. Rarely.
I'm taking her money, sometimes she taking my money.
No, only from the pocket, you know. But it's really fun when we do this together because we have something in common and no one complains to each other.
Trading only crypto. Yeah, it's kind of volatile.
I really don't watch so much crypto, so I
I-
hope you're doing well.
I like crypto because it's good for investing, but not for trading. It's kind of hard for trading. Volatility is sometimes too huge. How are you trading? Are you doing well? I mean, are you trading profitable or?
Struggling. Trading is a weird business, you know. You need to love it, or you need to just decide not to waste your years and
The expert thoughts from your both sides.
daily.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, we like talk about trades.
Yeah. Oh shit, misclick that was. Misclick, nothing special. So, as I have mentioned in the morning, probably you were not there. I see this one that it needs to drag one more. Like, let me go on the 4 hour. 4 hour is much more clear. So, what I see there is the nice flag appearing over there. As you can see, there is no momentum in this movement over there, and I really do anticipate that this will drag for one more leg over to break those tops at least. Okay, so this is at least this kind of the movement. That's the minimum what I do. What I do anticipate, but I don't see the sell currently as it stands right now because on lower time frame it really doesn't show any signs of reversal. This for me it's still not the reversal sign. It can drop lower, but it still could be the buy. This can do something like this, just extend, and still this will be the buy. So more buys than sells. I currently don't see the sell from this standpoint. If it goes higher and struggle, then maybe we can decide, but really these are the kind of strong candles which start so appearing over there. Momentum is trying to build, and these are the reasons why I don't see the DXY going lower. On 15 minute this was the flag, went up, so now the question is what the price will do over there. Okay, it's supposed to struggle and then it can go higher. based on bank holiday in United States, that could really start struggling, or it can struggle more. It can even go deeper. Okay, this can as well drop down and still has to come up. I'm trying to go for the buy. I'm already selling the euro dollar. We'll see how far it will go. This is something what I'm anticipating over there.
We both look the same because we had the same strategy. The only difference is sometimes he likes to go too much on the lower time frame, which I don't like so much.
I love stress.
Because we don't fight enough, you know. So he goes to 5 minutes or 1 minute. So
to release all my energies.
yeah. I really like 15 minutes. That's the lowest that I can go on lower time frame. But the same strategy we use. He developed the main stuff and we built it more together.
Gold. I already remembered. Gold. We were discussing at the beginning. This could struggle. It can go lower. This can go lower, but I will not be selling it. It's kind of dangerous. Let me take a look on 15. This is probably the scalp movement, fast movement. 1,915. Oh, that deep? I don't think so. But yeah, I would love to see the other correction. This, something like this, and then drop, or this one can go a little bit deeper, correction, then drop. Anyway, it's a good deal to sell it at the break of the bottom. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour is too complicated. I would rather skip this sell. Would wait for the buy, because this is confusing on lower time frame, or give it some more time. This can still struggle because this could still not be all. This could be 1, 2. We can go still up, retest even this top, and then go lower, gives us the flat, and then it can continue its way to the upside. So
forever.
Yeah, that can struggle there some more time. I will not be taking it, but if you take any sells over there on these candles, yeah, you can still hold it and watch it. Watch it so far it will go. You can close it if there will be any strong candle to the upside, which will be closed. So any strong candle over there, you can close it. What the fuck is this? My pen didn't work.
Your drawing is funny.
Yeah, I'm not an artist.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're a trader.
Yeah, I'm a trader. I can draw with money, but not with pen.
Do you have entry somewhere on gold already, or you're looking to sell from this price? I cannot pronounce your name. That's like some kind of nickname from your both names, surnames. So for today we will probably be little more on the screens, and then we will just take a walk or something.
Hi again, did you take any trading courses? If they are from what materials did you use to get where you are? I was reading the Elliott Wave Principle. That's where I started, where everything starts. And of course, I did two couple of courses which were not successful. I used to buy the support and resistance course, which didn't work for me, and that's why I don't like it till today. And then I find the book Elliott Wave Principle, which really gives me a good sense of direction. It really resonates with me, and I started watching charts based on waves. And then based on experience, I was just upgrading and getting experience to all those years. I've been trading 12 years now, and to all those years I was just keep upgrading, adding rules. There was a lot of trades opened and so on. So it's been added and upgraded. I have a couple of rules that are not in book and so on. Basically in book there are no enter strategies, and so this is just pure technical analysis. And I use technical analysis just to spot the setup. That's all.
Can I tell people how I met you?
Yeah, of course.
I will tell you how I met him. I was learning how to trade in one scam academy. I will say scam because it was apparently that. I didn't know they were just marketing sellers. So at that point, I just heard about Forex and I saw that potential. So from few people, I heard that this guy exists.
That's
and
me.
He knows how to trade, but at that point, he didn't have his educational academy. He was just being selfish and he was trading on his own. So
I didn't want to share my strategy.
So at that point we were met, but we wasn't seeing each other. And I found out he was earning money and I didn't know about it. So I was, how to say it, I was trying to persuade him to teach me how to trade. And 5 years later, we have the educational academy, and that started just because our friends and all the people around me wanted to join. That he will teach us, and that's the point. He had his edge, and he developed it for himself. And then I wanted to know and I wanted to trade from someone who really knows how to do it. And the later came academy and so on. So he was keeping it for himself, all that edge and strategies that he developed. But now we really kind of share it, not with everyone, just with some nice people. So that was the story how we met.
It's kind of long story.
But I needed to say it.
Yeah.
This sir said, sorry about your USD, next time good luck. There is no sorry in trading, you know. You shouldn't take losses so personally. It's normal. If you trade, you don't care if you hit the loss. It's part of the game. Because overall you will get your profits. Because if you know what you're doing, that's really normal, you know. When I try to took the good trades, you need to have some bad trades before it goes. So when it goes, it's like rocking, you know. You don't care about that small loss.
You can even say it's a loss. I don't call this losses. I say this is just the cost of doing the business. It's just like, it's similar like you have to pay the tax. It's kind of same stuff. Losses are just to...
Only smaller.
Yeah. That's for sure. Yeah, this is how it starts.
Yeah.
But we're trying to expand this academy much more higher level. We are planning to do some webinars and events in live and so on in the future.
Because we have people from all around the world, because when someone came to us, and they always bring some friends.
Yeah.
So, but we don't have some big community. It's like maybe 30, 35 people. I don't know.
35, something like that.
But we really don't want to work with everyone. It's really nice business, and you want to keep it like with good mindset people. That's the most important thing, because you don't want that losers, gamblers that is fucking your mindset every time. that they don't want to stick to the rules or they don't wanna do the job. So we like the quality people.
Just quality. This business is not anyway for everyone. You need to see potential over there. You need to love sitting behind the charts. You need to love the charts. Those beautiful candles. And of course trading is really good because you're self-improving, and this is what I mostly love about trading. Your self-improvement will grow really exponentially with the trading.
I'm not sure if would gold go that low, but do you? I guess you are a swing trader, right? You hold that all to some point. Where is nine? Where is that point?
Which one?
1915. Yeah.
Down there.
Ish. I'm not so positive, but
I think it will struggle over there and then. Yes, it's just like that.
did I hear that?
This is how candle works. This is. You have to turn on your speakers and you will hear it. It does like this. When you see the big candle in your direction, it's really.
But this part, it's similar because
Yeah, it
they
could
don't
be.
see it.
She's saying that these two parts are kind of similar. Yeah, they are.
We like to take the money from the market when market gives to us. So when we do the swing trades, we take the money just before it goes like 4 months move. You know, I really don't like that long moves. So when we have time, we really like lower time frame. But when we don't have, it's higher time frame, right? But on higher time frame, you cannot earn so much as you can on lower time frame.
But you need to have the skills for lower time frame, that's for sure.
Yeah.
On high time frame, it's much more easy, let's say.
Yeah.
Not so stressful.
Yeah.
And this is where we all have to be first profitable on higher time frame, then scaling down to lower and lower. I love lower time frame because there is no time for taking decision. It just goes like bam 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 bam. You don't have the whole day to think about what you will do with the trade. You have to do it instantaneously. In a minute, this is the decision. Let's see what my friend is doing. Maybe this will be a nice profit, maybe not, we will see. That could be a nice running flat as well on lower time frame like this. And this just to start pushing lower, but who knows? I think in 30 minutes we will see what the charts will do, what the prices will do. I hope they will move. Otherwise, we will call it a day and we will be there tomorrow.
I have hairdresser at once.
So I'll be alone there.
Yeah. So people will enjoy.
Yeah. Okay, the comment is the problem with lower time frames is sometimes it doesn't make sense. The your USD trade could still go to your take profit easily, although you took a loss. That's why I like to stick to the high time frame. Yeah, that's for sure. Higher time frame are more stable and stronger, but lower time frame do move in our direction. But this is the quick bam bam. It goes really fast. This is what I love personally, but definitely higher time frame is the stable one. That's for sure. Anyway, on higher time frame, I still see this direction. That's funny about it. I still see this direction to the downside. Euro dollar to finish this movement, and then I will start building my swing positions. Couple of my swing positions are from there. Okay, and I will remove the profit somewhere there once we will touch those bottoms over there. This is where I will start removing the profits, and I will start building new buy setups, buy swings. Okay, I will be swinging to the upside over there from this low and then all the way up to this top. This is my next upcoming potential target, this all the way to this previous top, but that's too far away. But on this direction I'm still taking trades to the downside. I still see that we will nicely push lower. It's good to play on this way to the downside. It is possible to get a RAT from the rest.
Maybe. Retracement maybe.
Did you mean retracement with this RAT? RAT, sorry. Prices can always retrace, yeah, why not? But you mean to this one to get bigger? Yes, this is possible. This correction can get bigger and then still can drop. That's possible, of course. Yes, this is possible on higher time frame, of course. Very possible scenario as well. And then this will be a nice, because this move is kind of slow. This will be second and this will be the third move to the upside. Something like this, and then it will start its movement to downside. Kinda similar like this one. It could happen over there, and then we'll have the last push to the downside. Very possible scenario, yes.
Yes, but we need to take it if it's not. I think it's cool, like talking about these entry points, because everyone thinks that trading is linear. You just in and you take the profit and you go to lunch. It's not like that.
Oh, we have a question. I think it can be a struggle for euro to crack the previous high around 1.13. It looks like a weekly high has been built. 1.13. It's kind of high. Oh yeah, you mean this one? Sorry. 13. What is it?
Maybe he thinks it was.
Exactly that, yeah.
Yeah, he thinks.
I think it should. Who knows? That's my aim, because on weekly if you watch it. That still looks like upside. This is kind of corrective movement over there. It's kind of corrective. This last part of the move. And this is what I'm aiming for there. Boom. Go up, break the top, and then total reverse the downside. Or what it can do as well to develop its momentum, go for the deeper correction and then go up. Break the top and then go lower. These are all the possibilities which do exist over there, but who knows, one of them will plays out over there. We don't know which one exactly will be. But we are currently in this moment, we have to trade this. Downside can extend as well over there, boom. To go out of this archer, this is possible, of course. And then this will be then the ending diagonal over there. And then it will go lower and then go up again. But it's too far to say this. There are no signs currently. Momentum wasn't so sharp over there for the downside, so I really don't think that this outside break of the structure will happen, will occur. I'm more for downside, especially this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we'll go up, or this will go for the sideways movement and drop. Who knows? All options are open. Very slow market today, very slow. Slow market. Thank you for the good content, keep it up. Thank you very much for the feedback. Dead market, dead.
We need to let it to make the highs. So
Yeah, we will probably leave the charts over there and
yeah.
I'll kind of update you. Maybe I will send the update in Telegram. What happened and what I did. So do you have any questions, guys? Maybe I'll even consider to close it, the euro dollar.
I close. And also.
I'll wait a couple more minutes. We can stay there and we'll close it probably. Nothing for today, probably. Thank you. Let me check the DXY, what DXY is trying to do. Yeah, maybe this one will give us the running flat. But this one can extend into the bigger correction over there, like this one. Something like this and this to go lower. Let's see. If euro dollar will kind of push more, then I will close the euro dollar first and then I will decide what I'll do with the rest. We'll wait a little bit more. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. I will be back in 2 minutes. Here I am back again. Still no movement. Gosh.
You didn't went so long. We need to. I would wait maybe 30 minutes.
Yeah. We will leave the charts anyway. lower time frame, sometimes it's interested, but sometimes it really doesn't make any sense. It's not faster. I think I will slowly close the euro dollar. I just don't like the reaction, how it reacts, and probably I will then end the day with small loss, which is part of this business. Let's wait a little bit more. This one can then extend into more deeper correction. This could become the expanded flat or there, and we'll go into this kind of the correction, and then this will start dropping once this all will be finished. But this will be the tomorrow movement, probably. So everybody, let me know, are these webinars good? Would you like me that I will go and make these kind of webinars like every day maybe? What do you think? Give me some confirmation in the chat so I will know what should I do in the future. And for me, yeah, a game of probability, number game. This is what I call it. It's a number game. This could still start pushing lower. That happened sometimes to me as well, because this on lower time frame can still be the 1, 2, 3 expanded fat, even can go a little bit higher and then drop, continue to its downside to the previous bottom. So this is the reason why I'm still holding it and watching it. Would love to see what this will happen or how it will develop. Yeah, trading makes you feel lonely sometimes if there is nobody who you can talk to, but thank God I have my wife, so we are discussing about charts all day long. Yeah. I always have someone to talk about. a couple of days a week, maybe this nice to make this live. Very good, okay. We anyway have a lot of time.
Bring your wife.
Okay, very great. So I see that there's a good feedback about this kind of webinars. This webinar is good, gives small us opportunity to learn. That's great. First time they are perfect. This is the purpose of this webinar, to learn as much as you can and get some knowledge over there from me.
You can see the trading can be fun and it can be boring too.
And if you don't know how to control emotions, it could be stressful as well.
It's cool when something is happening. So maybe one time when this webinar will be live and we see the market move, so you can see our mind process in this, or you can tell us yours, so we can share some experience together, you know.
This could be an expanded set for upside. Still, characteristics are there for this leg up, which we are currently trading. But it takes so long. Hope we could also post some images as well. How could we make this true? Maybe I can open the Telegram chat, and under the idea we can have a chat where you can share images. That maybe would be perfect thing to do. I think on Telegram I can create that everyone can write messages and so on, and that would be the perfect. So then we can share the images. That would be a good idea, I think.
Are you gonna post something funny?
I'm already watching. I think that I can create on Telegram this discussion. Yes. Add group for discussion. Oh, I think I can do it. Wait.
Yeah, you can go with
Yeah,
chat.
yeah, I think that's gonna be great. Let me just have a try. I'm already making it. Let's see.
But if there were spammers that are selling something, they will be kicked out.
Of course. Oh, it works. Perfect. Discussion safe. How this works now? Oh, that's it. So we have a group for discussion now. I will post the link over there so you guys can join this chat, and we can text, or maybe Discord. I don't know what you guys love to use. I don't know if more people love Discord or maybe. I don't know what. I can make both. I can create a Telegram or I can create a Discord for chat so we can be discussing. Or maybe we can just start with this Telegram chat, and if there will be a lot of people and a lot of activity, then we can upgrade to Discord, maybe, if you guys be interested. I will post the link in the Telegram channel. Let me just find how I can copy the link. Here it is. Copy link. Okay, so I posted the link over there. So, oh, you can even leave a comment immediately under the messages. That's gonna be the perfect as well. So I will pin it over there. Oh, I don't need to pin, so let's unpin it. Sorry for that. We can just comment under this topics over there. Perfect. That's gonna be great.
Hi, babe. It's you.
Okay, so I will end the webinar over there, and I will update you about the USD. What I will do, probably I will close it, but let's see. Okay, we'll send the message over there. So take care, enjoy your day, and see you next live stream. Of course, feel free to comment it in the Telegram. Thank you, bye bye.
Bye.